1 minus Rn over 1 minus R, right?
Yeah.
This is geometric series. Some one special case come when we learn the geometric series. If R is greater than minus 1 and less than 1, means mode of R is less than 1. Mode of R means the positive value of R. If we take this one, these all are negative values from minus 1 to less than 1, all negative values. So if we take the mode, it will be less than 1. So we use the geometric sequences u1 over 1 minus r, only this one. So this part will be neglected. This part will be neglected. Okay, this part will be neglected because n will become very higher. If n will become very higher and something is coming in the rational form in which so many very minute values come, so then so that you use this form, very minute values will come. For example, recurring values will come. For example, if I give you one question as an example. What happened to duster? Wait. Okay, so if suppose somewhere it is written like that, as infinite, we denote it as infinite, and the sequence is going longer, and they write 0.7 dash. This dash means recurring. Okay, so it's going continue. It's going like that. 7 over 10 plus 7 over 100 plus 7 over 1000 plus 7 over 100,000, like this. Yeah, 100,000 plus continue like that, and going towards infinity. So in this case, this is very minute value, but we need to calculate the sum till infinite, and this is called recurring number. So this recurring number can be found by using the formula S infinite. There are some other ways also. Some people in the junior classes, they learn how to find the recurring number as a fraction. But we are using now geometric sequence to find the uh, this recurring number as a fraction. So if I teach this in the junior classes, this will pass from their head. So, but here we use this one because you know that how to find the sum of the sequence. So what is a in this?
Is it 0.7?
Yeah, 7 over 10, right? 7 over 10 is A. 7 over 10 is A. And 1 minus, you will write again, what is R? Can you tell me
Is it
what is R?
7? Or um is it 7 over 10? Wait, no, it's 1 over 10.
Yeah, 1 over 10. Good. 1 over 10. Because you will divide, huh? Good. 1 over 10. Now, can you calculate this whole? What's the answer?
9 over 10.
Now, 7 over 9 or 9 over 10? Total,
Yeah.
total answer is 7 over 9. Okay. The fraction will be cancelled and answer is 7 over 9.
Yeah.
That's the answer. So this is, you convert the recurring number into fraction. So this is an infinite sequence. When it's very smaller and goes up to infinite. One more I will give you. 0 point, this is another recurring number. If they give you the question, mm, shit, 0.3. this. So uh, now calculate this one. I give you this question. Just try.
To find the first term,
To find, first make a sequence and the same s infinite, find s infinite, sum of infinite. First make a sequence as I did in the previous question. What will be the first number?
is the formula u1 over 1 minus r?
The same formula, yes. But first make a sequence. What is the sequence?
3 over 10,
Yes, like this. Then
3 over 100.
yes, like this. You will do always like this. Yes, do. Is 1 over 3. So how you get it? You write a over 1 minus, what is the r in this case?
A 1 over 10.
Yeah, same. So this will be 3 over 9, 1 over 3. MashaAllah, very good. So done. Now this was only remaining the infinite geometric sequence. It's also done. So now I think quite you are quite comfortable with the sequences now, right? If I
Yeah,
say if I say u6 equal to 24 and u11 equal to 768, I'm testing you. These are the two things given. Determine the general term of the sequence. So can you determine the general term? And A, you will find U17, and B, you will find sum of first 15 terms. Can you do this question?
yeah.
Okay, good girl. Okay, that's why I asked. If you forget, I must revise it for you. If such questions come, I told you that AR, AR square, right? This is the geometric sequence. It goes like this, ARn minus 1, like that, huh?
Yeah.
So, and last is ARn. It's work like that. Every time we multiply with the common ratio. And if we divide the next term divide by previous term, we get the common ratio. So if just set in your mind, just remember that whenever such thing is given, when such information is given, utilize this information. 6 is given. So n minus 1 is 5, right? So what the formula for 24 you will write? U6 mean you, because A is the first term, right? R is not here. R start from the second one. So whenever R is start from the second one, for the sixth term you can write U1 and R5 equal to 24, right?
Yeah.
AR5 equal to 24. First you will write like this. Always remember this, and in exam you will be you will you will calculate the things whatever they will ask. So U11, for U11 what you will do?
U1R10 is equal to
Yes,
708.
mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Now you get it. This one, right? Now what you will do, just divide these two. Use the given information. When you will divide these two, you will get R. So when you put this one up and this one down, so U1 R10 over U1 R5 equal to 768 and 24. So U1 cancel, and when you will divide U5 equal to, can you help me use calculator and tell me what's the right side after divide?
It's
32.
yeah,
32 means U equal to 2 raised to power, U5 is equal to 2 raised to power 5. As I told you in index notation. So your answer is
2.
2. Good. So your answer is, oh, sorry, what I'm doing, R. Sorry, R. This is R. U is already cancelled. So you get R. You get R is equal to 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if R is equal to 2, now I will get with this R, I will calculate with this R, I will calculate the first term. First term is U R5 equal to 24. So you can write in any one, 2 raised to power 5 equal to 24. So U1 equal to 24 over 32. So U1 equal to, uh, what is U1? If you divide, 8 3 is 8 4 is, yeah, 3 over 4. Okay.
Why did you put 32?
Yeah, because 2 raised to power 5 is 32. I just put 2 in first equation.
Okay.
So we get U1, we get A, we get U1, we get R. R is 2. Now can you find first 15 sum of this you can do. First 15 sum. Okay, calculate now. Sum of first 15 term. You have everything.
I got 98,301 over 4.
98,000. You did like this. 3 over 4 and 2 raised to power 15 minus 1 over 2 minus 1.
Oh, I did 1 minus 2.
Allahu Akbar. if you do
But
if you do
here,
one if you do 1 minus 2, then you have to reverse this one also.
yeah,
1
I did that too.
you did to that too.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, both. If you write both reverse, no problem. Some people write like this. Some teachers teach like this. Maybe in your school they teach like this. One minus r, huh?
Yeah.
Because
Oh, I did 1 minus 2 instead of one. Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
this.
I did.
Yeah, 1 minus 2. So in that case, the thing is negative comes, so that's why I avoid that one. Negative will come from here, negative will come from here, and both will positive. But the solution will be right from this one also. But the answer is this. Answer is different. Whatever you are telling me, that's not answer. Answer is this. Calculate again from your calculator. You should know that how to use calculator directly from here. No need further calculation. Just put up in the calculator and find, and the answer should come. You are in senior classes, so you must use calculator. 245.75. This is the answer.
Oh, it's the same thing, but mine is a fraction.
Yeah.
My answer was a fraction. I just didn't convert it.
Okay, okay, okay. Now this is okay. Anyway, that's good. But you need revision again. You forgot very quickly.
What? No, I got the answer right. It was just in the fraction form. I didn't convert it to a decimal.
Okay, okay. No, I mean when the question is starting, you must know how to do it, right? Now let me check one more question to you. In the continuation of this, if I asked you 11 plus 16, this is also your revision, plus 26, the series is going on. If I say how many, how many, how many term, sorry, after how many terms of this series, the sum reach to 450. Did you get my question?
Yeah,
Can you do it?
yeah.
Okay, by 2, although it is given in exam, so I should give you this one, SN.
Is it SN or UN?
SN means sum, right? Either
Yeah,
SN,
but
yeah, SN use for sum of n term. So SN use for geometric also, SN use for arithmetic also.
shouldn't I be using UN?
You can use UN, but UN is the last term, but SN is the sum of the n term.
But 450 isn't the sum of the
Yeah,
terms.
450 is the last term. You will use that one. A sum up to 450 means SN is 450. So only the fractional things will come, and then some quadratic formula will come. Quadratic form will come that you need to handle.
So for U1, is the formula n over 2 times U1 plus U plus n?
Uh, I didn't get what you want to ask.
Is the formula for UN, is it n over 2 and then in brackets U1 plus
But
n?
uh, but that is the different one. That is the part of this. A plus n minus 1 d. That is the formula. There is a formula for n term, last term. But here I told you that how many terms are required to reach the sum. Sum. I use the word sum. Sum to reach the sum of 450. How many terms to reach the sum? I use again sum. Sum this one. So you will use Sn equal to this. So means 450 equal to this. Means in this how many terms are required to reach 450. This will give you n. No, only in this question only the calculation is, should be strong so that you can get n. Students very quickly tell me what's the answer of quadratic equation. They use technology. I mean they use the calculator. That calculator they use. They use scientific calculator, GDC, and very quickly find the value. So, what equation you got?
Yeah, I'm only calculating the last part of my equation.
Very good. So, what's your equation?
I got 13.2829.
13.29 means 13 terms. As you
Yeah,
calculate, it's mean 13 term. So, if you
yeah.
okay, just check your answer. You said 13. Okay. So, check your answers as 13. Let's see, as 13 will be what with this. As 13 means n is 13 and a and d is given over here. What is S13? S13 exceed from this. If you write 13 after calculation, if the marks, if this is question of 5 marks, they will give you only 1.5 marks. Only they will give you the formula marks and some working. Because S13 is, the 13 is not correct. That's why I'm asking this calculate 13. S13 is how much?
533.
Yeah, it's too much. 533. Now calculate S12.
462.
462. So it's look fine, right?
Yeah.
So if now if you use S11, then just change the values and find S11, and the calculator you can do.
396.
How much?
396.
Yeah, it means S12 is correct. Just pass. S12 is just pass, right?
But S12 is 462.
Yeah, that exceed this one. We have to exceed this one. 462 is exceed this one, right? So our question is, what is the n so that the sequence is exceed this number? The sum will exceed this number. Now see what mistake you can do over there. So you will control this. Uh, the question is when you calculate this one, Sn, when you will put Sn is 450. So this will be n by 2, and this will be, I think you calculated this, 2 multiplied by a. 2 multiplied by a is uh, n by 2. Uh, so 2 multiplied by 11, right? Plus n minus 1, and the difference is how much? 5. You did like this, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, n by 2. This is 22 plus 5n minus 5, and this is 450. 450. So n by 2, and this is 22 minus 5 is 17. 17 minus 17 minus 5n. 17 plus 5n equal to 450. 17 plus 5n and n by 2 equal to 450. So if I move on the other side, this will be, so see what it will be. 450 to the 900. 900 equal to 17n plus 5n square, means 5n square plus 17n minus 900 equal to 0. If your quadratic equation was this or not? Hmm?
Yeah.
Your quadratic equation was same?
It's a quadratic equation.
Yeah, this you found this equation.
Um,
Now,
I got I got 900 is equal to n, and then in the brackets 5n plus 17.
yeah, yeah. But when these things comes, you cannot solve without quadratic formula. And some students use the calculator and they use GCD and DDC and tell me very quickly, sir, answer is this one. So they use the quadratic equation in calculator also. There is an option, right? So or otherwise you can use this one, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac, 17 square minus, where the traditional method, 4, 5 and 900 over 2 times 5, right?
Yeah.
See, when you will solve from this one, you get some value is there. There will be two value I calculated already. 1 point this one, and one value will be this one. So this is not possible. So this is possible, 11.8. So 11, but 11.8 is not n. So we make it up to 12. So we will check on 11 and 12. We will check this one on 11. We will check on 12. Then we will write the answer. Surely, you get.
Yeah.
That's good. So this kind of question also I hope you can handle now. So when they ask the n, they will give you all the information, but they will ask after how many terms you will reach till here, till the sum over here. Okay. uh, if I say find find the term of the sequence, find the uh, first term of the sequence, first term of the sequence, 24, 8, 8 over 3, 8 over 9. This sequence is going, which is less than, which is less than 0.001, means the sequence is continue. Find the first term of the sequence. You have to find the first term of this sequence. When the sequence is going like that and it is less than 0.001, when it's
Is
read,
the first term is less than 0.001?
no, no, the sequence is going on, right? And when it reach to here 0.001, right? So
So is
what will be the first term of this sequence?
so is 24 the second term?
I don't know. The 24 is the second term or what. It's if it is given, then it will be very easy. Only sequence is given. But first of all, whenever sequence is given, uh, first of all, what you check?
What kind of sequence it is?
Yes. So what kind of sequence is this?
Geometric.
Hmm. So okay, if I say you what will be uh, the term when geometric sequence, okay, fine. But whenever the sequences start, this is first term. This is your first term because I am giving like that, right? You have to find when this term reach up to this number. What is that term? Sorry, not first term. What is that first term when it reach up to this term? You will find this. You get my point?
So first I have to find the first term, then I have to find um, which term it will reach 0.001.
Yeah, that is the first term when the sequence reach. That first term I am asking. First term doesn't mean that this first term is the first term of the sequence. First term of what is that first term of the sequence when our sequence will reach here? Okay.
So the sum,
No,
do I
this is
press
not
n?
sum. I did not use the word sum. This is not sum. This is a number. It is written over here. It is written over here. Okay, I write here. But I don't know, and after that some other numbers are also there. Continue, right? What is the term number? This one. What is u1 in this question? U1 equal to 24. R equal to what?
You said I don't know what the first term is.
Yeah, first term is this one. For this sequence, of course the first term is 24. And what is R?
3.
Are you sure?
1/3.
Yes, now you are right. 1 over 3. Okay. So now if I say un equal to, this is, I don't know this. This is un basically. I don't know this term. It's general one. So un equal to, the formula is u1 r raised to power n minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So un equal to u1 is 24 and r is 1 by 3 and power n minus 1 and un is 0.001 equal to 24 1 over 3 power n minus 1 geometric. Now the log properties and all that, and if the power n is there, how to find n? Can you find n in from this step?
Can I, do I do log?
Yeah, well,
Um,
you can utilize any maths knowledge and find the value of n. I want the value of n from you.
is it correct if I do log 24?
No, first you
Um,
divide. First, better you divide this one over here, 0.001, and you can use calculator also, no problem. But first divide 3 raised to power n minus 1. And I told you the log, in the log how you do this. You get here, then
do I make it n minus 1 log 1 over 3?
yeah, you can do. Very good. Both the side you can take log. Very good. You remember it. Divide this one, take log, or over here also you remember n minus 1 log 1 by 3. Then finally divide and get. Then finally you will add 1 to get n. So what is n? Just calculate that.
I don't really know what to do with n minus 1.
Okay. Uh, you did this part, I think. Okay, tell me what's the answer of this one. 0.001 divided by 24.
Log 4.16.
Uh, log log 4.16 equal to n minus 1
Log 1 over 3.
log 1 over 3. Now value of log 1 over 3 divide by value of log 4.16. Khalas. Then plus 1. When you will divide, you will get n minus 1. Then 1 will also move on the left side.
I got um 1.77.
1.77. I think I should do it.
I think it's negative should it be negative or positive?
Of course, positive. Log of 0.001 divided by 4 divided by log 1 over 3 plus 1 equal to n. This I want to say.
Isn't it divided by 24?
Sorry, 24. Yes, type this all. Type this one in your calculator and tell me what's the answer. First divide these two, then plus 1.
Oh, I got 10.18.
Yes, 10.18. Now you are right. This look some sense. So n equal to 10.18. So basically, either it can be 10 or it can be 11, right?
Yeah.
So can you check on 10 and 11 both? This, what is the basically, what term will give you this result? So how you will check? You will check like that u10. First you will check on u10 equal to uh, 24 1 over 3 power 9, or you can check u11 equal to 24 1 over 3 power 10, like this. These two things you will check. Then you can tell me for which term you will write which answer in the exam. This is up to 10 term or 11 term. Even, I now you have a practice that 10 term will not reach over here, it will be less because its answer is coming 10.18. So of course 11 term, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just I just we just give this checking to the students to confirm this, and also they get some strength in the formulas while they work, something like that. But in short, I can say that it's confirmed that it's 11th term, 11th term. So 11th term is 0.001, right?
Yeah. For the 11th term, I got 8 over 19683. And for
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
10,
basically, if you divide, if you get 11 term, it will be nearest to this one. It will reach up to this one. But if you take the 10 term, it will be less than this one. So of course, from this we get the 10.18 means, if 0.18 means next term you have to take. In this round off is not work. It's of course that next term will come. Then you will reach over here. Otherwise, you will be lagging behind. Okay, another one. These are very tricky questions. If someone knows the geometric sequence, then they can you can do. So, but it's give you strength. Determine determine uh, the number of terms in sequence. Total number of term, how many in this sequence? 128, 64, 32, 16, and then continue, and it's 101 over 512. Of course, this is decreasing geometric sequence. And this decreasing geometric sequence, first of all, you will find how many terms are in this sequence, because some of the terms over here missing, and it's given the last term is giving this one. This is last term, and everything is given. You will find the total number of term in this sequence and sum of this sequence. Then you will find sum of this sequence. First is n, and b is Sn. Yes, dear. Take pressure. Not difficult. I hope you can handle.
is A just finding R?
A is n. You will find n, right? Is how many terms in this sequence? R, of course, you know R. This is first term and this is last term. Yeah, I hope you write this formula always. Un equal to u1 r s to power n minus 1. Okay, simple.
Yeah.
And un, of course, 1 over 512 equal to, and u1 is 128.
But you want, I'm not finding a specific term. I'm finding the amount of terms there are in the sequence, right?
Yeah, of course. So that will come n. When you will find n, that will be number of terms in this sequence. You are using last term is this, and a r s to power n minus 1. N denotes the number of terms. Now, next thing is 1 over 6 5. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get 1 over 65536 equal to 1 over 2 power n minus 1. Now, the same way you will find the value of n. Can you tell me the value of n now?
I have to use log, right?
Yeah, yeah, same log. When the power is n, you must use log. Log this divided by log this plus 1. The same as I did in the last question. Just use calculator. Mm.
I got 17.
MashaAllah, mashallah, mashallah. At last, in the end, you make me happy to get the correct answer. 17 exact answer you found. That's good practice. So now, if the 17 is there, so using this 17, find the sum of this sequence.
So the total amount of terms in the sequence is 17.
Yes, of course. We found the total number of terms. To determine the number of terms in the sequence, we found this one, 17. So now you will find that 17 term sum. So it's very easy. What you will write S17, or you use the that formula which I told you shortcut. 17 over 2, 2a plus L. A plus L means 128 plus 1 over 512. If last term is given, you can use this formula. A plus L. L is last term. This formula you can use. It's a shortcut for you if last term is given. If last term is not given and it is given that 17 and it's continue, then you must use this 2a plus n minus 1b, like that. So when you will put up in the calculator, you will get the sum. So what is the sum? Apply the calculator.
It's 1,888.
No, 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 no. It's
No?
you did a mistake, a little mistake. First you add these two. Okay, type 128 plus 1 over 512.
I got 128.001.
Multi- yeah, multiplied by 17.
Oh, I did 17 divided by 2 first.
Yes, yes, that is also fantastic. Then you can find. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I did mistake. This is geometric sequence S17. So you will use this formula. UN